Hey guys, this is Mikey B. Zan. Today I'm going to be drawing a surreal face from my imagination. The song that's going to be playing in the background is called Sow the Seed, and it's from my weird album called Word Salad, and I'll post a link to that album in the description box below.
A fool for me. I'm a man kept to his own greed. It's the feeling that gets you high out of the abyss. My heart doesn't know this light, a shock of consciousness, the creature of consequence from the seed we've sown, from the seed we've sown, from the seed we've sown. Wake up and do what you want. The cord is cut and you're on your own. Don't be afraid to lose yourself to the escape. Give up the ghost and embrace the other soul. It's only you. It's only you.
If you like this drawing, please like the video and subscribe, because I will be uploading these drawing videos every Tuesday. And I also have a bunch of animation and songs that I'll be posting. So stay tuned, and thanks a lot for the support. Peace.